And it might have
a... All right, boom, baby. Today we are back working on Frankie, and today, thanks to our good buddy Arrowhead Garage, we're going to be working on putting on a new steering wheel. So, boom. Oh, and please go check out Arrowhead Garage. Really appreciate it. He voluntarily gave us the steering wheel, and it has an awesome story. Please go check that out on his channel. It's a good story. Go check it out. What's really awesome, our buddy Jack let us borrow a steering wheel puller, so we're going to be able to pull it out right now.
Make sure that we kind of got some thread, size bolt, and we'll thread in, and we'll figure out about how long the bolt we need, and then get a bolt for the center.
Okay.
So let's see if we put that on there right now. One of these here ones that we got. You got a magic marker or a crayon or something?
Yeah.
What is that one?
I had one of these on there, but it was crooked. But it was on. I think it was that one.
Probably this one if it had a really long bolt where it could be out here, but
yeah.
I don't know. We don't want them.
Or maybe that one. Kind of funny though.
Yeah, they have all those different
parts and nothing. So this is awesome. So a lot of you guys don't know, but I'm actually 6'6", you know, so I'm relatively tall. And this gives me a little extra leg room. And it was a little kind of tricky figuring out, but huge thank you to my buddy Jack. And of course, huge thank you to Arrowhead Garage. We've got a new steering wheel. And I love it. You know what's awesome? It fits the bill. You know, Frankie's not shiny. And so this doesn't, you know, it's not shiny either. But the thing I love the most is it has a cool story. So, again, if you didn't watch the story yet, go to Arrowhead Garage. He'll have it posted up there. But that's going to do it. Boom, baby.